And finally, I wanted to show a slightly more sophisticated AI tool. Previous tools, they were all built around conversations. This one is much more sophisticated because it's built around data analysis. So, as a risk manager, I have to integrate into procurement decision making. And one of the procurement decisions is, do we insure our liability or logistical risks ourselves, or do we rely on our vendors and supplier insurance policies? And that's it. That's not a trivial question, because sometimes it's much more cost effective and much more efficient to insure yourself. And sometimes, if the risk is acceptable, you can actually, and the coverage is appropriate, you can rely on somebody else's coverage. But that's not a trivial choice. You have to do the analysis. You can't just kind of create a rule of thumb that, in these circumstances we will insure ourselves, and in the other circumstances we will outsource the insurance. It's a product of analysis. And that analysis involves reading extensive documents, reading insurance policies supplied or provided by the supplier, and then comparing it to your perception and your understanding of risk, comparing it to existing policy coverage that the company itself has, identifying gaps, and then making a decision whether it's appropriate to insure or rely on the third-party insurance, or make a request for the third party to upgrade the insurance coverage if you see it. I've just loaded a vendor's insurance policy that they sent to us in a different language. So I'm loading a policy in a different language, and then I can interrogate it in English. Review the policy and identify red flags. It finished loading the policy into the knowledge base, and then the AI algorithm will, so it's a multimodal document. It will read the document, it will understand the images if they're present there, it will read the text, it will analyze the text, and then I have trained the AI model to go through an extensive list of different red flags, and it will try and analyze each of the red flags against the policy information, and then give me a summary information. Let's see how it works, because this model is extremely useful, because this type of questions, and today it's an insurance policy, tomorrow we will be creating a model where you can load third-party proposals or contract terms or scope of works, and it can go through this risk analysis of the data inside the document and give you the result back. So it's going through the analysis, it's trying to test different various red flags against the policy wording and identifying gaps, and then come back to me, hopefully in English, but if it doesn't, we can always ask it to please translate what you just wrote into English, and then we'll come back in English. Wow, it's taken longer than to respond to very simple, very basic questions that we had in all the previous chats, which is understandable. It just read probably 100 pages of text, but the level of analysis it's given me, the limits, the policy period, exclusions, key conditions, specific risk management requirements that can nullify the coverage if they're not complied with, deductibles, and it went through the list and identified and referenced red flags with specific pages and clause names. I mean, this is pretty mind-blowing stuff, because it would have taken me probably few hours to do exactly the same, to read it carefully, to think about it, to compare it, to look for kind of the gaps in the right places. And again, I can ask follow-up question: what is the biggest red flag? Always, always, always ask follow-up questions, always deep dive into the conversation. But this model is absolutely amazing, because you can load a document and then it analyzes the document for you, and then it gives you insights from that document by comparing it to pre-trained risk management red flags that you would normally look for. And if you have other red flags, for example, you had history in your country, in your industry, with a particular risk, with particular vendor types when outsourcing insurance to them, and you want to ask about this specific issue, you would just ask a follow-up question, and it will go ahead and investigate your specific red flag. So I think it's absolutely mind-blowing. I hope you give it a try, try the free access, enjoy the limited cheap access, or go full unlimited and use our various AI models every single day, just like we do. Enjoy and stay tuned, because every month we're adding a new model to this website. When we started, we had just one main model. We now have 8 different purpose-built AI risk management and insurance models. And we're going to have many, many more to come.